Hello, you are once again welcome to my CSE 341 project. Today I'll be working with the OAuth functions on how to authenticate and authorize user. So currently on my VS Code, so I was able to pull together this on my server. My server was able to add GitHub strategy, the course, and I was also able to add section and passport, okay, to my code. Okay, so basically what all of these do is authenticate users. So let's take for instance, if you go to course, if as a user you want to get all courses, you will easily get all the courses. And if as a user you want to get a particular course by ID, you can also get that. But if as a user you want to post, you will need to log in. Okay, so or you want to put, you want to delete, all of these actions you will need to log in as a user. Okay, so probably you could log in as an admin. So that is the picture of the project. Currently on my link from render, I'm already logged out. Okay, so that's what you are seeing at the top left corner of my screen. So very quickly, let's go to the API document. Let's fetch some data. Let's see what that code does. Let's get all students. So let's work with student tryout and let's execute this code. All right, so we have all the students. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students in the database currently. Okay, so you're able to do that. Let's get that fixed. Now let's post. Let's add more students to the database. So let's try out and then come over here. So let's add 5 gender, Jack, John, birthday. Let's add the birthday. Just add something. So 23 November 1989. Okay, let's execute this code. So let's see. Alright, so here you must be logged in to access this resource. So very quickly I can bounce back to my VS Code and show you something on the authenticator. So in the middleware we have OAuth.js, and what this OAuth.js is actually looking at, who wants to post into the database. Now if that person is authorized to post into the database, the person should be logged in. But if the person is not logged in, show this, you must be logged in to access this resource. So that is what that line of code is doing. So let's try to log in. Now that we can't post anybody into the database, let's try to log in. So logging in, let's use the login. Alright, so it says logged in as Christian Oche. Okay, so logged in as Christian Oche, and let's go back to now that I am logged in. Let's see if it's going to work if I'm trying to post. So let's go back to the API and very quickly let's try to post. Okay, let's try to post again. So let's do the same thing. Actual, let's add again 45 gender. So just jack.com and let's add birthday as 23 06. Let's say 1989. Let's execute this and let's check for response. Okay, so from the database it is true. Okay, so it's acknowledged true, and here is our ID for that. So let's copy this ID. I want to check other ones if they are working. Okay, so getting by ID, there is no authentication there. So let's try to put into that. So try that out and come over here, press the link, the ID. Now Jack wants to change his name, so it's no longer there. First name is Jack, instead of Jack. So we have Jack still, and we have the age modified, and we have the gender, email now. Jack said my email is Jack.com, birthday is 23/06. So we are only trying to modify the data. Okay. Alright, so previously we were having Jack, but now we no longer have Jack, we have Jackson. So we're able to do that. So student updated successfully. So it is working. So let's delete by ID if it's going to work also. Let's try deleting by ID. Alright, so student deleted successfully. So we're only getting this message, success message, to know if our code is being updated, if the database is being updated. Alright, so that is it for API authentication. Okay, so what I was actually doing with my index, I required the passport, okay, and using the browser.get login and passport.authenticate GitHub. Okay, so for my GitHub, we're able to also get some things applied to it. Okay, so campus connect school API. So this is where I was getting the client ID and all of that. Okay, so I'll be generating this link from YouTube, so I'll have my videos on YouTube, and so that we can have access to this video. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it.